See ya. I'm in Hungary. Hi. I'm going to get a burger. Should be somewhere in this direction. Right. So I looked on the internet for this place and I've been given the directions straight ahead. Right. Let's go. Get a burger. It's not such a hot day today. What's the time now? The time is 8:05 in Hungary. All right, here we are. Jimmy's Kebab. No, oh, not worth it?
No.
I'll give it a try then.
Okay.
All right then. Thanks for letting me know though. Wow, she said it's not worth it. Jimmy's Kebab. Let's go. Right, Jimmy's Kebab. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. I'd like to get kebab and chips, please.
Chips?
What do you have? You have chips as well?
Hello, what can we get you?
Hello. Today, nothing traditional because I'm in the kebab shop. But I would like to get some kebab and chips maybe.
We don't have chips. We have not mashed potatoes, but potatoes like this. We can get you this, or
Yeah, those
we
ones,
can get
yeah.
you onion rings. Or you want this?
Nah, onion rings.
Onion? Okay.
Yeah, onion rings and the kebab, that
Yes.
one up there.
Which
Yeah.
one? Kebab or dürüm?
What one is traditional? Like, do you have a traditional Hungarian?
Nah,
Nothing.
it's Turkish.
Turkish.
Not Hungarian.
bloody hell. I'm in a bloody Turkish kebab shop in Hungary. All right, never mind. This video would have a twist, a bit of a twist to it.
You a vlogger?
Yeah, YouTuber,
Oh.
TikToker, Instagrammer.
Oh, I'm gonna follow you. Okay.
I'll get the kebab and onion rings. Yeah,
Okay.
please, yeah.
I need something to drink?
Yes,
You eat
please.
here or you need to go?
I'm gonna eat inside. Yeah.
Something to drink?
Yes, please. What do you have?
Look in the fridge. You can choose anything.
Right. Any beer?
Yeah, we got alcoholic. This is a traditional.
All right. Let's traditional what?
Yeah.
Hungarian.
Thank you. It's actually pretty good.
Right.
I think it's the best in Hungary.
Go for this beer. Right. Got myself a beer now.
So, 2,890.
2,800. Can I pay by card?
Sure.
Thank you.
Berúgtad a hagymakarikát? Az nem kell.
Right. Got myself a beer. I'll just sit down and eat inside. Yeah? Is that okay? Okay. Right. Thank you. Right, I'll eat inside. Alright, so I'm sitting here today. Right here. Right, so I'm gonna open the beer now. Soproni. Right, here it goes. Yes, so what? It's in a bloody can. Who cares? Wait, how do you say cheers in Hungarian again? Egre sugar dre. I think so. Let me ask them. In Hungarian, cheers. Egre sugar dre? Egre. Aha, egre sugar dre. Cheers. Nice beer. Good beer here. Yeah, check my my channel. Andre Traveller.
I can't understand that.
My channel is called Andre Traveller.
Oh, okay. I follow you. Okay.
I have Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.
You're gonna upload on every platform.
TikTok's for like the funny videos and
Yeah,
you know.
For the collaboration.
Exactly, yeah. Great beer. Wow.
So what is your name on YouTube?
Andre Traveller.
Is it like this?
Yep. And on TikTok as well, I have.
I see you're pretty famous.
Have you got TikTok?
Oh, sure.
Check me out on TikTok if you think I'm famous on YouTube.
Oh shit. Now I'm excited. So what is your name? The same?
Andre Traveller, the same way, yeah. Loading.
It's so
It's pretty
shop.
slow
It's
now, yeah.
The shop. But if I step to the street, it's perfect.
Andre without the Y.
Like this, or?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh shit.
That's me.
Okay,
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Loads of views, right?
That's pretty cool, man.
Great. Alright, man.
I'm preparing your food.
Thank you. This is how we dressed in Hungary today. Got the sliders on, the Jordan sliders. Alright. Just received a message. Right.
Hey guys.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Wow. And the kebab on the way?
Kebab?
Yeah, the meat.
Meat.
Aha, wow. The kebab is on the way as well. What a surprise. Oh. I haven't been given no sauce. And the onion rings came before the kebab. Interesting. So here's the onion rings.
Do you want the kebab a little bit spicy or normal?
Normal, please. Can I have ketchup as well?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
240 for the ketchup.
240?
240.
200?
200, yes. So, do you want one or two?
Without the ketchup.
You don't want ketchup?
Nah. Yeah, it is, yeah. Considering I just paid by card as well, I don't want to take out. Yeah. Alright. I'll have beer instead of ketchup. Yeah. Right, so I'll have an onion ring. They're not so crispy. It's really soft, so I doubt I'd need any sauce. Yeah, it's fine. Onion ring. Thank you very much. Oh, wow. Interesting. All right. This is how it looks. Oh, wow. All right. It looks really great. I'm gonna sit on this side actually. Got a better view of the background. Here. Awesome. Got myself a beer, onion rings, and this. Right, let's have a look. What do we have here? So this is the bread. It's got some mayonnaise inside, as I can see. Tomato. Loads of sauce. Vegetable. And the kebab meat at the bottom. Interesting. Right, here goes. Wow, that looks really, really juicy. So this is it. Woo. That is big. Have a look. Wow. Ooh. Oh yes, have a look. Right, I'm ready to dig in. Right, here goes. Mmm. Yeah. It's nice. I would not see why I would not want to come here. Mmm. 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 Delicious. Wow. There's so much like big and juicy. Wow. Mmm. Delicious. Wow. Wow. Have a look. Mm. Really, really, really nice. Wow. Mm. There's no way I can eat this without not getting a messy mouth. Wow. Mm. Delicious. Mm. Mm. Wow. Have not had kebab in ages. Mm. Food is delicious, actually. Mm. Mm. Oh, really, really nice. Wow. Mm. Delicious. There's Tower Bridge in London. Photo there, straight ahead. Wow. I have to take this away with me. It's so big. Have a look. Still got that much of it left. Wow. That is so juicy. Wow. There's not possible to eat this without getting a messy mouth. Good beer as well. Delicious. Right. So much food on this plate. Oh, blind. How would I finish all of this? I've still got half of it left. Soproni. So this is the local beer because the place that I'm now is called Sopro or Sopo, something like that. Right, that was great actually. Great, take the rest away. Thank you very much. Can I take the rest away, please, in a box?
Okay.
Thank you very much. Wow, that was so filling. Great food. Awesome. This is local beer, right? Local beer? This one, for this area. Brewery.
From this?
That's it, yeah. Great. Nice local beer. Thank you very much. Have a good evening. Bye-bye. Right. Great food. Right. Didn't go to waste. Oh. Great. Right, so I enjoyed the food. Got myself a beer, local beer. And so full up, took the rest away with me. It's not good to waste food. Could always finish it later on. Until next time, catch you in the next video. In a bit. From Jimmy's Buffet Kebab. All right, you lot, take it easy. Catch you in a bit. Laters.